Let's talk about this lovely spring weather we're having in December. Erin Moran now with more on just lovely weekend and a continuation of sorts, but a little chilly as we get up in the morning, I take it.
Yeah, and we have been chilly the last several mornings as well. So it's kind of that routine where you wake up, you make sure you have the jacket before you head out, but you can get rid of the jacket in the afternoon. Maybe not so fast for tomorrow. It depends on your tolerance for temperatures. Right now, we've got 40s and 50s. Some spots still pretty warm, but you look just up to the north, and you've got Oklahoma City at 47, Lubbock at 41, and Amarillo starting to flirt with that freezing line. Cold front is working its way in. It's not an Arctic air mass behind this cold front, but it's cold enough that it's going to knock our temperatures to near normal for tomorrow. But it's going to be a dry cold front for us. Few very light showers in parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma. I am expecting this to just kind of swing through across North Texas. We should be dealing with light northerly winds as we head into the morning hours tomorrow. And then as we get into the afternoon, still very light winds. Eventually, our winds shift from the north back to the south. But generally, you've got a mostly sunny day, but temperatures will be a little cooler. Now, it's not out of the normal to start in the 30s and 40s. That's what most of us have been dealing with. Down to 37 as you head out the door tomorrow morning in Denton, 39 in McKinney, about 35 in Bowie, and Graham just above that freezing mark. But DFW forecasting a low of 41, Waxahachie and Corsicana 42, Palestine, Hillsborough, Cleburne at about 40 degrees. You look at the highs for tomorrow, though, and you've got low to mid 60s. Now, normal high for this time of year is about 61 degrees. So that's why we say, okay, it's cool enough into tomorrow, but it just means that we're actually feeling like December 4th, right? Because today, December 3rd, we should not be topping out at 74, which is where we got at DFW, normal high of 61. We get to tomorrow, we've got a forecast high of 62 when the norm is 61, so that's a little more like it. Noticeably cooler for tomorrow, but the cool down is short-lived. We're back into the mid-60s Tuesday and Wednesday. I've got 70s Thursday and then Friday. If DFW is hitting 77, then you know out to the west it's hitting the low 80s. This is before our next cold front swings through, though. Pretty potent system. We're still a ways away from it actually moving through, but it does look like not only will it bring the chance for a little bit of rain Saturday and potentially into Sunday as well. This looks more aggressive than what I'm forecasting right now. I do think, though, it will be cloudier. I've got 20% chance for rain during the day Saturday, 30% at night. You notice, though, to the north and to the west, flirting with a little bit of a wintry mix. Not saying that's going to happen here, but it does look to be very cold behind this cold front as we make our way into Sunday. Potentially temperatures falling throughout the day, so we'll just kind of have to keep an eye on things. But hopefully a decent amount of rain, especially for areas to the east where we could see a ½ inch to maybe some spots getting closer to 3/4 of an inch of rain. But again, that's Saturday into Sunday of next week. For now, you'll want the jacket in the mornings. You'll probably want the jacket tomorrow afternoon. But by Friday, it'll be T-shirt weather, Steve, before Mother Nature makes up her mind and knocks us back into the 50s by Sunday.